Okay, so now we're post laser. Um, you're going home. You've been given your aftercare kit. My team will have talked you through the aftercare kit and the Dermalux you're going home with. Uh, but I want you to know exactly what to expect for those first 2 weeks post deep resurfacing. We'll get into the longer healing uh, parts of the healing journey, but it's those initial 2 weeks that is the most work for you. Uh, so you're going to go home and that night, and everything's going to feel quite tight. You'll have kind of a tanned color to the skin where it's been lasered. There'll be some swelling to the skin. It can be a little bit puffy. It's going to be a little bit prickly and a little bit warm. And so we're going to give you adjuncts and ways of coping and managing the skin. Um, Depending on how the laser is done, there's often a little bit of bleeding around different areas of the face. We will have most of that under control. We'll have all of it under control, sorry, before you go. But as you're going to be managing the skin, there will be times where there'll be a little bit of bleeding, and we'll tell you how to manage that as well. These are all good things. We want to get deep enough into the skin to abolish and banish the wrinkles and to tighten up that skin. So days 1 to 5 is going to be the most difficult of the healing process. But in saying that, it's just a little bit labor intensive. We don't expect pain as a feature, and we do expect you to not be completely comfortable with yourself, and that's normal. But we're going to be here onto you each and every day for those first 5 days, making sure that you are managing your skin properly post laser. And as the team goes through the aftercare products, they're going to tell you how to use them, when to use them, and how to get the most out of your skin. So I'm going to use some words now that are going to describe exactly what you're feeling over those first 5 days in particular. So there's going to be a great deal of redness to the skin. We expect that. Your skin is going to feel quite dry at times. We expect that too. Um, the one thing that we see kick in around days 3, 4, 5 is the skin tends to be quite oozy. And what we mean is the skin kind of weeps a good bit, like a healing wound, which is what it is. And we're going to use vinegar soaks and cleaning methods to help manage that and keep the area clean and managed. Um, so we're going to tack in some videos or some pictures and stuff into this video where you can see what the skin looks like on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. As we've taken the opportunity to use some of our past clients, our past laser models, to collect what you can expect on those days following your laser.